Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add money to PayPal, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, all you gotta do is first of all open up your PayPal app and make sure you're signed in as well. Now you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this option of wallet in the bottom right, and you can see your balance on top as well. Now from right over here, you're going to find this kind of interface. Once you have tapped on the balance, all you got to do is tap on this option of add money, which is given on the left side. Go ahead, tap on it. Now simply go ahead, manually enter the amount you would like to add. Once you're done, tap on this option of next in the bottom. Now if you have multiple method added in your PayPal, then you will get multiple options to choose from. If you have just one, go ahead, tap on that particular one and tap on this option for add money given in the bottom as well for the confirmation. And once you are tapped on the add money, you're going to find this kind of notification popping up. You can see you have added the amount to your PayPal balance, and now you can simply go ahead, tap on this done option in the bottom left, and you can go ahead, check out the balance of your PayPal by going to wallet as well, and you're good to go. So this is a simple method for you to add money on your PayPal. Make sure to have a linked bank or card to your PayPal and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.